Hello, my name is Alain Joshua, and I'm glad that you're watching this video. One of the signs of maturity is when you are able to celebrate the successes of other people. If you want to go far in life, you must respect and you must be able to value what others have been able to achieve that you've not been able to get to. One of the things that pushes growth is when you see light and you celebrate light. The moment you feel jealous or feel bitter that someone else is succeeding more than you, it is a sign that you are mediocre. It's a sign that you are complex. The Bible says in James 3:16, for where jealousy and selfish ambition exist, there is disorder and every foul practice. Where there is hatred, jealousy, and competition, there can be no progress. The problem of the Cameroon church is that we lack the ability to support one another. We lack the ability to see light in one another and celebrate it. We lack the ability to push forward. What we don't have in Cameroon is the ability to push forward one another. We have the voice, we have the calling, we have the graces, we have the anointing, we have the reviver, but we have not seen the ability to accommodate one another and push forward that which we have in us because of the existence of the spirit of jealousy. When we see light, we rather quench the light. When we see someone succeeding, we rather find a way to pull them down. But if we can be able to inhabit the ability to see someone succeeding and push forward that person, we'll be able to bring more light to our nation. The success of your brother is your success. The success of your colleague is your success. If one man in our entourage is succeeding, we are succeeding. So we need to get to the point where we are able to celebrate the successes of our brothers, of our sisters, because their honor becomes our honor. Jealousy is a witchcraft spirit, it's a demonic spirit. And if you look critically, discover that anyone who possesses the spirit of jealousy, they never grow beyond a certain level. They never get to a certain height in life. But those who are selfless, those who are able to celebrate one another, they grow faster. Remember that you cannot do all. So do what you can do, because you are best and good at something. And let others do what they can do, and they succeed in what they are doing. Whenever you compete with someone, you destroy your own ability to express what you carry, because you want to be like them, you want to be better than them. You spend more time in competing with them more than you build yourself. We must avoid competition. Allow the success of others to stir up the best in you. Do not compete with people. One thing I've always believed in is that there is something you can do that no one else can do. There is something you are good at that no one else can do. And there is something someone can do that you can never do, no matter how much you try. So let us learn to accommodate the differences we have with other people. Let us learn to accommodate people irrespective of their spheres of influence. Work on yourself, build yourself, and you become good at what you do. Competition destroys. Competition kills. Compete with no one, be jealous of no one. Work and build yourself and become good at what you do. Remember that the success of another person does not destroy your own success. That your friend is succeeding doesn't mean you're never going to succeed. You will definitely succeed in your own time. Build yourself and you're going to get there.